welcome to XBA, Xander and Bryan Adventures.
Hey, so today I thought I would show you around the RV. I don't think anybody's seen the inside of it really, so here we go. Yeah, baby. That's me. That's what's up. This is a jackknife couch. I actually kind of keep it out and down and put pillows all up and down it. Makes for a comfortable, chill little space. So I could just sit here and watch some TV. This is my little work and eat station here. Of course, I have the Be Awesome, the hot pads to match them. This is my little kitchen area. It's got a full sink, wash my dishes in there, drying rack. Here's my stove. It runs off propane, it's gas. Freezer, fridge. Of course, some non-alcoholic beer and wine. I got my water filter, all my dairy and eggs, bread, yogurt, fruits, vegetables. Keep it stocked. Microwave and heat. Here in the kitchen area, I've got all my big cups and little cups here in the front. Then I've got bowls to match, everything matches. Here I've got my coffee cups, coffee and tea is back there, if you can see it. Here's just more bins, they all match, and of course my George Foreman micro. That's so I can make paninis and stuff. More bins everywhere, all matching. Love it. Oh, you probably want to see my pantry. So up top, I just kind of have cereal and spices, soup cans, granola, rice, tuna, everything somebody would need to survive, unlike any pantry. I've got some spices up here, but there's also bins of spices. I won't pull them out, maybe on another video. Granola bars, yep, raisins. Just try to eat as healthy as I can. This is kind of my storage utility for extra lights, and there's my little tool bin. I've got my Bible. Pull out there, other little miscellaneous stuff, more toilet paper, etc. Here's the double bunk beds. I've actually folded up the bunk bed to the upright position. I keep Xander's and I bikes there. The other side down here I use as storage, camping chairs, mandolin, etc. On the top bunk here I've got Caesar, Xander's clothes, hunting gear, fishing gear, more drone stuff, workout bag, rods and reels and stuff. Just some miscellaneous stuff. Here is the bathroom. I've got a full sink in here. It's got a little cabinet space, but I do keep all my multivitamins in the top. I've got my toothbrush, smell good and everything, floss and stuff tucked away neatly into there. Get to check out your water control. So my battery level's full. My fresh water tank is mostly full. Black water tank always shows full, even though I just emptied it 2 days ago. And my gray water tank is about 1/3 full. I've got my hot water heater. It runs off of electric when I'm plugged into shore, or propane when I am not. 32-inch Roku TV, high def. So I can either just chill here and work and eat and watch TV. This folds down into a bed when Xander's here. This is Xander's bed. Nice big window with blackout curtains. Yeah, here's my bedroom area. This actually all comes out and folds down into a queen size bed. So I kind of leave the couch down but put pillows in because I'm large. There's the no shoes on in the RV bin there for most of the shoes. This is my hanging clothes area here. There's all my collared shirts and stuff for work. Up here's kind of my little office nook stuff. I've got just miscellaneous pens and papers and everything. I also keep my underwear bin there and my hats. So kind of like a closet, a hat closet maybe. Down here is my charging station. That's where I charge my drone batteries and my phone and everything. It's got just a nice little platform. I just keep it all there plugged in. I run this little cable down and around. When the slide's out, then I pop it out here for the cable to charge my laptop. This is the bedroom and emergency exit push out. It's really great when the attic fan is on because this is a max flow vent. And then, you know, obviously when I do have my bed pulled out and all set up and I've got this on, I've got some really good airflow. Up here is where I keep all my winter clothes, sweaters, hoodies, etc. It's actually super deep pockets here, so there's lots and lots of sweaters probably. I don't know, probably have 15 sweaters and hoodies and stuff tucked away. This is super cool. This is my blackout curtain when I am in bed. I just pull this out, so I've got my privacy area there. Yeah, so you can see that the air comes directly across the bed, up and out the fan at night. It's great. It's been 60 degrees. It's like absolutely perfect. So underneath my sink here, I have cleaning supplies, an instant hot water kettle. I've got all of my silverware, spoons, forks, knives, bottle openers, knife home. Extra bags down here I've got a pot, 2 pans, Fabuloso window cleaner. Oh, my trash, sorry about that. Time to go to the trash bin. But yeah, just try to organize everything nice. Here is the radio, and it does have speakers inside and outside that run off of solar. I don't want to get flagged for copyright infringement, but it has Bluetooth, AM, FM, USB, and auxiliary. Really a nice setup. The speakers are underneath the sink here. And outdoors. Here's the view of the couch when it's actually put up. I find that it's more comfortable down, but it does give me some more space when it's up. It's jackknife up. It does really tuck back into the little bedroom area and carves it off really nicely. One of the things I did do is go to Home Depot and got these bins. They really perfectly hold all of my clothes. This is my shirt. I also have my long pants and jeans. Then there's my shorts bin. So I also keep miscellaneous stuff down there for storage area. So really, this is just the absolute little perfect setup. The mesh keeps it from rolling around when I'm traveling. Yeah, it's a very amazing setup. One of the coolest features that I really like about this is that it has double USB ports, USB-A, and car charger, so that I can plug even more USB ports in. The electricity obviously runs off of shore power, but the USB ports run off of solar and the battery. So totally off-grid. I might also point out that the USB panels with the cigarette lighter is on both sides of the bed, so super easy and convenient to access. In case you guys want to know about safety, it does have a smoke alarm. This middle thing is for the antenna at the top. It has an antenna booster that gets HD over the airwaves. It has an add-on to do cellular and Wi-Fi, but it also has the antenna for the radio. These lights are push button. All the lights in here are ran off a battery with the slide, the awning, the water pump, and the fridge and the water heater will run off of either electric or propane. I do have a 5,000 watt generator to run everything. So I keep cool with this 13,500 BTU air conditioning. It does an amazing job of cooling it down. And one of my favorite features is that with this switch here, it blows the air directly down. So this comes down and I honestly stand underneath of it when it's a hot day and cool off, and then flip this little switch again, and now it's blowing out all sides. These are adjustable. Yeah, super stellar. So outside at the back of the RV, there's the outdoor kitchen. It has a mini beer size college fridge, which I don't have on, and I keep my extra propane tanks in. Also, it does have a pull out, and pull out is a Coleman grill. It is a regular, the little bottles of propane. It has a little regulator I keep there. I keep my little spare bottle that I'm currently using there. And it's also removable, so you could just pick it up and take it, to a picnic table or whatever. But I do plenty of grilling out here outside. When you're done, just folds up. And for travel, it snaps in. I do have my griddle there, so I can put my griddle directly on the stove and cook anything from steak and eggs to chicken, whatever I want. Anything that could be cooked in a griddle, panini sandwiches, anything's ready. Another cool feature, as you've seen around, is USB and a cigarette lighting charging port along with AC power. So they're ran throughout. Really great setup. All of the doors outside have these cool little magnets that magnet to the wall. So you just really push it up, and then when you're ready to take it down, it just pulls straight down. They all have these little finger holes, so it's easy to shut and open and lock. And every single one of them have this nice little keyboard. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. So thanks for watching. This is my liveaboard. Super cushion comfortable. I love it. I have zero complaints. There's always little this, that, and the others to repair, but it's pretty stellar. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty awesome.